Welcome to my tour of the Kimpton Monaco in Philadelphia. So as soon as you enter the room, you see the wonderful bathroom that features a Fiji Soaking Tub. All Kimpton properties use Atelier Bloom bath products. This room is a corner suite on the 9th floor, and it features stunning views of Center City. And over to the left of the room, you can see sweeping views of the Benjamin Franklin Bridge. The wall decor is covered with wallpaper, and there is a red Oriental inspired piece that doubles as both a dresser and your mini bar. You have a view of Independence Hall as well as Liberty Bell. Inside of the closet, you have courtesy robes, and there is a different wallpaper inside of the closet with all kinds of fashion-inspired quotes. One of my favorites is the one that says, "When in doubt, wear red." There's also a safe, a courtesy umbrella, as well as a yoga mat for you to use. Each of the rooms has one of these roll pillows, and this particular one has a quote on it by Thomas Hood, and you can read the whole quote in the description box. So this piece doubles as a TV stand. It is also your dresser drawers on the left side, and on the right side it is your mini bar. And the mini bar is fully stocked, as you will see. So as you can see, inside of the mini bar, you have everything from toothpaste to breath mints to your favorite candy. And there's even more. There is a wine bottle opener. There's wine. There are nuts. The price list is in there. There's Advil and other pain relievers. And there's even a special kit for if you're planning on having a special night with a special someone. Inside of the mini fridge, cold water, beverages of all types, and even cold candy bars are inside. There's a little makeup station, and now we're headed back towards the front door. Thank you for taking a tour with me. The Kimpton Monaco in Philadelphia.